What's up, Maisie? What do you mean we've got nothing in? We've always got something in. There's always something to make something. Look, come on, I'll have a look. I'll have a look with you and we'll make something. We'll get something together. Right, get a big light on. Can't see anything. It's pitch black. What do you mean we've got nothing in? We've got pesto, jam, loads of jam. How long's that been there? A whole onion, and I bet we've got some chopped tomatoes. We've got chopped tomatoes and you can make anything. Have a look. That's it. Chopped tomatoes. You can make anything with that. And if you can't, then you'll have to do it for tomorrow because the shopping's not coming till then. Or go to the supermarket and do a big shop for me.